How to post items on Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can post items on Varagesale. So kindly watch to the end so that you will not miss any important information. So what do you do first? Alright, so what do you do first? The first thing you should do is to log in into your Varagesale account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Once you're on this page, you can see different items on Verge sale made by your community members. And by the time you scroll down, you can see other beautiful items as well. So once you can see this at the lower part of the screen, you can see five options, right? You can see the home option, you can see notification, and then you can see post inbox and then the profile icon by the bottom right corner. So for you to post items, all you need to do is to click on the post icon and then you'll be redirected to your device's files. Then the next step is to select the files that you would want to post. For me, I'll just go ahead and select it now. Okay, so when I'm done selecting, click on next and they'll be taken to another page where you can now write descriptions about the product that you would like to post. So now you can see title, enter in the title, description, price, category, and enter in the community you would want to post this picture to, and then click on post my item, and then just like that, your items will be posted. Very simple, right? So ensure you try it out. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.